Hello everyone, this is Master J, and today we are going to talk about telling time using a clock and half past. Have fun learning!
Do you hear that sound? What do you think it is? Right! It's called a clock. Clock is a tool that shows and measures time. This is a face of a clock, and it has 12 numbers. A clock has two hands, just like you, but one hand is shorter than the other. It is also known as hour hand. When we look at the time, we always look at the hour hand first. Now, what time is shown? Good! It's 9 o'clock. Now let's take a look at the minute hand. It is much longer than the hour hand and it represents the minutes in time. When the long hand or the minute hand is pointing at number 12, then we read it as a clock. Let's take a look at this example. Remember, we look at the hour hand first. It's pointing at number 1. And the minute is pointing at 12. So the time is 1 o'clock. Now, it's your turn. Read the time that is shown on the clock. What time is it? Great, it's 2 o'clock. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Nice. What time is it? Remember, we first look at the small hand for the hour. It is halfway between 7 and 8. So it is still 7 o'clock. The hour does not change until it is pointing right at the next number. Now we'll look at the minute hand. It is pointing to the 6. Does that mean it is 7 and 6 minutes? No. The minute hand stopped halfway around the clock. So we can say it is 7:30. What time is it? 10:30. Great! What time is it? 11:30. Good job! Game time! Which clock shows 12 o'clock? Letter B. Which clock shows 8:30? Letter C. Which clock shows 2:30? Letter A. Which clock shows 4 o'clock? Letter A. Which clock shows 11 o'clock? Letter C. Now get your mathematics book and open on page 131. Exercise number 1. Circle the correct time shown on each clock. Together, let's answer letter A. Look at the hour hand. It is pointing on what number? 6. Good. How about the minute hand? It's pointing at 12. And remember, when the minute hand is pointing at 12, we say o'clock. Are we going to circle 5 o'clock? No. How about 6 o'clock? Right. Circle using your pencil. Good. And you can answer letter B, C, and D on your own. Number 2. Color the clock that shows the correct time. Letter A. 3:30. Let's take a look at the first clock. The hour hand is pointing at what number? It's between 3 and 4, so it is still 3 o'clock. Now, the minute hand is pointing at 6, so that's 3:30. We can color this clock as this is the correct answer. The other clock shows 3 o'clock and 2:30. Those are not the correct answers, so we do not color them. Now answer letter B on your own. Let's review. Clock is a tool that shows time. We say o'clock when the minute hand is pointing at 12. We say 3:30 when the minute hand is pointing at 6.
Thank you for learning with me. See you next time. Bye!